Example number 3. Find the approximate area of the region bounded by the curve y equal x over square root of x squared plus 1 and y equal x to the fourth minus x. So to find the intersection, that means we need to solve for the system. It's very difficult to find the solution for the system. So what I did is I used the technology to graph them, and we can see that the first equation, so I call this one is the first equation when I graph is in the red color is above, and the second equation is in the blue color is below, and the region that we want to find the area is in the green color. And we want to find the integral from 0 and the point where they meet is x is about 1.18. Of the red one is x over square root of x squared plus 1 minus the blue curve is x to the fourth minus x dx. Then we will have to use the u substitution. So for the first guy, for this first guy, so we will, if you want, you can separate. So it's like 0 to 1.18 of x square root of x squared plus 1 dx minus 0 1.18 of x to the 4 minus x dx. Okay, so for the second one, it's easy to compute. So we get x5 over 5 minus x squared over 2 and evaluate this function from 0 to 1.18. For the other one, we have to use the substitution. So we will let u to be x squared plus 1, then du is 2x dx. We only need x dx, then we will divide both sides by 2. Then x dx is du over 2. So I pull out the 1/2 to the front, and then u is x squared plus 1, so we got square root of u. And we calculate the u. If x is 1.18, then u will be 1.18 square plus 1, and is equal to 2.39. And if x equal to 0, then u will be 1. So we will get 1 and 2.39. So 1/2, okay, 1 over square root of u is like u to the negative 1/2. Then the antiderivative is negative 1/2 plus 1 over negative 1/2 plus 1. Evaluate from 1 to 2.39. And then minus, if you want, you can plug in 1.18 to the fifth, divide 5, minus 1.18 squared divided by 2. And when you plug in the 0, it's equal to 0. So you can forget about that part. Okay, so this number is 1/2, and then we have this 1/2 right here, so we can cancel. So this is like a square root of u. Evaluate from 1 to 2.39. And then minus 1.18 to the fifth divided by 5 plus 1.18 squared divided by 2. So we plug it in for the u. Square root of 2.39 minus square root of 1, which is 1, and then 1.18 to the 5th divided by 5, and also this is minus, right? So it will become plus 1.18 squared divided by 2. So we just put all of them into the calculator, and we will get about 0.785.